guys! Today we're going to be following the Anguilla Day boat race around the island.
See you in sandy ground!
Every year on May 30th, we celebrate Anguilla Day, a day of great historical significance. Anguilla Day commemorates the island's 1967 revolution. Today, we follow the iconic Round the Island boat race, a tradition deeply rooted in Anguilla's culture and heritage. Preparations for the race start early in the morning. Crews ready their wooden racing boats down in sandy ground. As the boats line up, excitement fills the air. With the sound of the starting horn, the boats take off, their sails catching the wind. The race around the island is a test of skill, endurance, and strategy, covering miles of Anguilla's coastline. Spectators line the shores and follow in motorboats, cheering on their favorite boats and celebrating the spirit of Anguilla. As the boats cross the finish line, cheers erupt. The victorious crew celebrate their hard-fought triumph, a moment of glory and pride that caps off the special day. The festivities continue into the evening with crowds in sandy ground and booths with music and barbecue. Anguilla Day is a reflection of the island's resilient spirit, rich history, and vibrant culture. Happy Anguilla Day!